I discuss about English grammar, reported speech. Reported speech को दुई भाग में विभक्त करा जायछि. One is direct speech and other is indirect speech. Example: Santosh said to his sister, I am busy now. Santosh said to his sister, reporting part रे अछि, and I am busy now, reported part. Said, reporting verb, am, reported verb. The reporting part is separated from the reported part by a comma. Second point, the reported part is always in inverted commas. Third point, while turning direct speech into indirect speech, we change pronouns, tenses, the pointers, time expressions. Change of pronouns. Reported speech रे I थिले he और she हेबो. Me थिले him और her. My और your थिले reported speech रे his और her हबो. We थिले reported speech रे they हबो. Our और your थिले reported speech रे their हेबो. Us और you थिले reported speech रे them हबो. Similarly, change of tenses. Present simple थिले reported speech रे past simple हेबो. Present progressive थिले past progressive हेबो. Present perfect थिले past perfect हेबो. Present perfect progressive थिले past perfect progressive हेबो. Present simple थिले past perfect हेबो. Past perfect थिले past perfect progressive हेबो. Change of modals मध्य हेबो. Modals कौन कौन? Shall, will, can, may, must. Shall थिले reported speech रे should हेबो. Will थिले would हेबो. Can थिले could हेबो. May थिले might हेबो एवं must थिले must हेबो. Change of time expressions. Similarly, today जदि थिबो reported speech रे that day हेबो. Now थिले then हेबो. एगो थिले before हेबो. Tomorrow थिले reported speech रे the next day और the day after हेबो. Yesterday थिले reported speech रे the previous day और the day before हेबो. Last week थिले reported speech रे the previous week हेबो. Next week थिले reported speech रे the following week हेबो. Here थिले there हेबो. This थिले that हेबो and this थिले those हेबो. Rule 1. In a statement, when the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of the reported verb remains unchanged. Example: direct speech. The woman always says, I work hard. एही सेंटेंस टी प्रेजेंट टेंस रे अछि. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे the woman always says that she works hard. आइडा हो गला सी. रूल 2. When the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported verb changes into its corresponding past form. Example: direct speech. He said, I never tell lies. Said verb बड़ा को tense रे अछि? Past tense रे. Indirect speech रे हबो he said that he never told lies. आइडा हो गला he एवं टेल हो गला told. He said that he never told lies. Change into indirect speech. 1. He said, I know the gentleman. Past tense रे अछि. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टा हबो सिंपल पास्ट आंसर हबो he said that he knew the gentleman 2 Ramo says I shall buy a mobile प्रेजेंट टेंस अछि आंसर हबो Ramo says that he will buy a mobile third my teacher will say we shall go on a picnic future time रे अछि आंसर हबो my teacher will say they will go on a picnic 4 his father said we shall visit Puri past tense रे अछि आंसर हबो his father said that they would visit Puri 5 the lady said I am waiting for my husband past tense रे अछि आंसर हबो the lady said that she was waiting for her husband thanks